Right now, millions of damaged cells inside your body are refusing to die. Instead of quietly shutting down, they linger like biological ghosts, secreting toxic chemicals that accelerate your biological aging. We call them zombie cells, and clearing them is one of the most powerful ways to extend your health span. To understand why these cells are so dangerous, let's look at how normal cells behave. When a cell gets damaged beyond repair, it usually undergoes programmed cell death, a clean process known as apoptosis. Your body safely sweeps up the debris and replaces it with a fresh, healthy cell. But sometimes a cell hits a roadblock. Instead of dying, it panics. It enters a state of permanent arrest, refusing to divide, but also refusing to die. Scientists call this cellular senescence. Think of it like a factory machine that jams, stops producing goods, but keeps running and spewing smoke into the workspace. These smoke-spewing machines are our zombie cells, and the smoke they release is called the SDSP, or senescence-associated secretory phenotype. It is a toxic cocktail of inflammatory molecules, growth factors, and enzymes that break down surrounding tissue. When a cell becomes senescent, it does something worse than just stop working. It acts like a rotten apple in a barrel. It uses its SESP signals to bully neighboring healthy cells into becoming senescent too. This is how localized damage spreads, creating chronic, low-grade inflammation throughout your entire body. In your youth, your immune system is sharp and ruthless. It acts like a cleanup crew, constantly hunting down and destroying these zombie cells before they can cause trouble. But as you age, your immune system slows down and the number of senescent cells starts to snowball. This accumulation is a primary driver of age-related decline. It stiffens your arteries, weakens your bones, impairs your brain function, and wrinkles your skin. If you want to slow down aging, clearing these zombie cells is an absolute necessity. Let's look at the data to see just how dramatic this accumulation is across the human lifespan. As you can see from this chart, senescent cell burden remains relatively low in early decades, but curves sharply upward starting around age 50, coinciding with the onset of many age-related diseases. Scientists call compounds that selectively kill these zombie cells senolytics. The term comes from seno, meaning old, and lytic, meaning destroying or dissolving. By targeting specific survival pathways that these rogue cells use to dodge death, senolytics coax them back into apoptosis. One of the most famous pharmaceutical senolytic combinations studied in laboratories is dasatinib combined with quercetin. Dasatinib is a leukemia drug, while quercetin is a natural plant flavonoid found in capers and onions. Together, they have been shown in animal studies to clear out zombie cells and dramatically improve physical function. However, you do not necessarily need prescription drugs to harness this science. Researchers have identified several powerful natural polyphenol that act as mild senolytics. Chief among them is fisetin, a plant compound found in strawberries, apples, and persimmons. In landmark clinical trials at the Mayo Clinic, high-dose fisetin regimens successfully reduced senescent cell markers in older adults. Because fisetin is hydrophobic, meaning it does not dissolve well in water, researchers often pair it with healthy fats to boost absorption and maximize its cellular cleanup potential. Before you start experimenting with high-dose supplements, you need a baseline. This is why we recommend taking the True Diagnostic Test. The True Diagnostic Test is the gold standard for measuring your true biological age and tracking the exact rate of aging using the advanced Dunedin-Pace algorithm. By taking a true diagnostic test before and after implementing a senolytic protocol, you can see whether your targeted interventions are actually slowing down your biological clock. It removes the guesswork from longevity science by giving you hard, personalized data on your cellular health. Beyond supplements, lifestyle interventions play a massive role in managing zombie cells. Regular, intense exercise triggers mechanical stress that prompts the immune system to clear out damaged cells. Furthermore, periods of prolonged fasting activate autophagy, your body's internal recycling system that helps degrade cellular garbage. Let's review the data on how lifestyle factors impact your senescent burden. This chart illustrates the reduction in circulating inflammatory SASB markers following a structured protocol combining high-intensity exercise, intermittent fasting, and targeted Physin supplementation over a 12-week period. The science of clearing zombie cells is shifting from science fiction to practical reality. By combining senolytic compounds like Physidin with regular exercise, fasting, and precise tracking through biological age testing, you can actively reduce your cellular burden and take control of your long-term health span. Now that you know how to clear senescent cells, click on the screen to watch our deep dive on autophagy, where we break down how your cells recycle damaged proteins and organelles for endless cellular energy.